The strawberry ice cream recipe is so great because it requires no extra equipment, none of the rock salt. I don't have to worry about turning anything. It's super easy. And this is actually a variation of a recipe that I got from my great-grandmother's 1913 cookbook. Hers was for a peach ice cream, which I absolutely love, and maybe I'll do a video on that later. But this one is with strawberries, and it is so good and so easy. I start with 4 cups of strawberries. I already washed them, and now I want to remove their stems. I have this little hulling device that I absolutely love because it pulls out just the tiniest bit of strawberry and gets the stem out really cleanly. I'll then take my cutting masher and I'll mash up those strawberries. And I just want to get them squished up really well, but I still want to have some chunks to it. So I wouldn't want to put this in a blender or a food processor, because the lovely thing when you're eating this ice cream is to all of a sudden get into this big chunk of strawberry. It really is fabulous. I recommend doing this with really ripe berries because they tend to have a stronger strawberry flavor. If you can get some that have been ripened in your backyard, that's even better. And now I'll add 1 cup of sugar. I mix that into my strawberries well. It already smells so good. And then 3 cups of straight cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is the real thing, but you could use the imitation too. I've done both. It still tastes good either way. And then I mix it up nicely. So then I'll put the lid on this and I'll put it directly in my freezer where I'll let it sit. So it's been 4 hours now and it's starting to freeze up nicely, but there's still liquid in the center. And so at this point, this is when I'm gonna stir. This is kind of my midpoint stir. And not only does it disperse the frozen parts, but it keeps those strawberries from sinking to the bottom. And then I'll place the lid back on and I'll place it in the freezer for another 8 hours. So now it's been 8 hours since we checked it last, 12 hours total. And it is nice and firm. It's perfectly frozen. But here's the thing, I actually want to do a taste test. So since I want to do a taste test, I'll have to do what you'll have to do when you're going to get it. And that's leave this out for about 10 minutes so that it can soften just enough so you can scoop it. Okay, so that is one thing that I've found with this older style of ice cream is that because it's more of an icy as opposed to frothy, it is a little harder to cut into. But 10 minutes is just about perfect. Softens up those edges just enough that I can get a good spoonful. I've got a nice scoop here, and this is a perfect nighttime snack for me because just before bed. It's actually really, really good. The amazing thing is it not only is creamy, it's got so much of the strawberries in it. So that strawberry flavor is just through the roof. So good.